What is up, everyone? This is Jojo the Techie back again, and today we're going to take a look at the Pixel Watch after 1 week of use. Quick disclaimer here, this watch was sent to me for free by Google as part of hashtag Team Pixel, hashtag gift from Google. However, this video will include, as always, my honest opinion. So finally, Pixel fans have a watch to add to the ecosystem of Pixel devices. So now we have the phone, the buds, the watch, and soon the tablet. It's a good time to be Team Pixel. I've had the watch for a little over a week, and I wanted to let you guys know my thoughts on it and some of the facts as well. The Pixel Watch rocks a custom Gorilla Glass 5 OLED display with 320 ppi and gets up to 1000 nits of brightness. Its dome design is very minimal and its screen is inky dark, making the bezels almost disappear. I recall Google saying that they designed the watch to resemble a drop of water, which is exactly what this watch would look like if it was on top of a black surface with no bands. It comes in matte black stainless steel, polished silver stainless steel, and champagne gold stainless steel, all of them with their corresponding active bands, which are made of silicone and are appropriate for daily use. The watch is also available in Wi-Fi/Bluetooth only and an LTE model that costs $50 more. The watch uses a combination of the new Watch app paired with the Fitbit app, but the Watch app is the main one that controls the functions of the watch, while the Fitbit app is mainly for the fitness and wellness stats. The Watch app is where you will go for the initial setup, to select and customize your watch face and complications, to select tiles, and to modify notifications, etc. The band mechanism takes inspiration on how you would remove a lens from a DSLR camera, adopting a swiping motion that aids the band in disappearing almost inside of the watch itself, giving the impression that the watch and band are just one cohesive piece. There is a nicely sized collection of watch faces available, and most of them can be customized down to the T, even letting you select colors and choose from several complications. You can also use Google Assistant to get things done, which is very responsive. My favorite thing has to be how I can control my entire smart home from the watch using the Home app for Wear OS, which has been designed specifically for the Pixel Watch. There are countless features that I love about this watch, but there are some things that could use work. Most of them can be easily fixed via a software push, but let's go ahead and address them. The watch has a 41mm diameter, which some people find very small. I mean, I get it. If you have larger wrists and you're used to using big watches, this watch may look really small on you. I don't have that problem since you can see that the watch looks normal sized on mine. And I have seen pictures of men and women with larger wrists showing off their Pixel watches with pride. That said, I do think that Google should seriously consider adding a larger size watch for the 2nd gen Pixel Watch, because that would definitely open up a whole new demographic that Google can tap into to market the watch. So, on paper, the watch is supposed to deliver up to 24 hours of battery life. In real life, like everything, it's really up to the way you use it. I have had days where I wear it all day, go to sleep with it, and wake up the next day with 20% battery still available. Then there are days when I'm taking calls on it and testing every single one of its features, which of course takes a toll on the battery. One of the most common questions I've seen asked about it is, why do we have to have a constant heart rate monitor? Can't I just use the EKG when I want and keep the heart monitoring off the rest of the time? That would save some battery. Well, actually, I happen to agree with this one. Unfortunately though, this isn't possible right now, but it doesn't have to be. I hope Google considers adding a toggle to turn that feature on and off in a future update. At $350 for the Wi-Fi model and $400 for the LTE model, some people consider this watch to be expensive. I disagree with that, simply because I know that I can use this watch paired with a different band, maybe a nice lower price one that I get from Amazon, and I can use it for a night out or for working out or for a casual lunch. For everything, this watch is a chameleon. It's so minimal that it's technically just a pebble, and you can dress it up however you want. That, to me, together with the tight integration with my Pixel and the Fitbit component, is worth the price. Sure, there are cheaper watches out there, but none, in my humble opinion, look as classy as the Pixel Watch does. Now, even with the improvements that it could use, I am very happy with this watch and I can't wait to see what Google has in store in the way of some system upgrades and maybe, hopefully, a feature drop. So that's it for my 1 week impressions of the Pixel Watch. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and click on that notification bell so you'll know the next time I post. And don't forget to click here if you would like to check out my impressions of the Pixel 7 Pro as well. See you in the next one.